Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix this phone number cannot be used for verification. So guys, if you are trying to link your phone number with your Google account, or you are trying to create a new Google account on your iPhone or other device and you are unable to receive a verification code and you are facing the problem that this number cannot be used for verification, here I will show you how can you fix it. So for that, simply watch this video till the end. So first of all, go back to your home screen, and from here you have to make it sure that your internet connection is working properly and your mobile service is working properly as well. So guys, drag down your control center and check your internet connection and also check your mobile service if it is working properly or not. So guys, after this, go back, and from here you have to simply open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general and tap on software update. So as make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device, and after this go back, and from here scroll it below, and from here tap on date and time, and from here turn on the toggle for set automatically in your device. So guys, fix your date and time, and after this go back, and from here tap on language and region. So guys, from here you have to tap on your region and you have to simply select your country or region according to your own country or region. So guys, properly select your region, and after this go back, and from here tap on VPN and device management. So guys, you have to disconnect the VPN if there is any connected VPN in your device. So guys, after this go back, and from here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings in your device. So I'll reset the network settings, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you're still facing this problem, then you have to change your phone number or you have to contact the Google support team for further information and help. So for that, simply open your browser and search here for support.google.com. Here it is, and from here you can explain your problem to the Google team, and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.